Welcome everyone to our 16th pitch event. Innovation is supported right across the Sydney Local Health District, and the pitch gives an opportunity for everyone to be involved.
Ladies and gentlemen, microsurgery is a surgical superpower that allows us to operate on the inoperable, achieve better outcomes, and perform operations that were never before possible.
Within healthcare, use of names is associated with increased trust, clinical improvement and work engagement. Name and role hats are a simple design taking into account the constraints of our work environment.
We talked with the young men of AOT and conducted a poll of a kind of service that they would like to see, and they all identified a need for a group that would address social isolation, loneliness and lack of connection to their peers. We want to establish a regular drop-in centre.
People with dementia are more able to enjoy spaces and objects that were familiar to them from earlier in their life. We want to create quiet and engaging spaces, sensory lighting, visual stimulus, a fish tank, faux fireplace, tablecloths and curtains.
And I'd just like to invite you all now to engage in an experience with a patient having a knee replacement from their perspective. Our pitch is that we acquire a series of iPads and noise-cancelling headphones. We'll eliminate a lot of that ambient noise that you hear from the theatre, which is anxiety-provoking.
And we've got a winner, although they're probably equal winners in many respects. The Wake Sense project. And the Ortho Sonata.
So basically we're providing iPads and noise-cancelling headphones to patients undergoing a regional anaesthetic technique for knee and hip replacement surgery. They can basically be distracted by listening to music that they like or a movie, as well as educational content while they're having the procedure. So avoiding general anaesthetic and avoiding heavy sedation.
Having the different colours for patients with dementia might sound really simple, but it really makes a big difference for them. They really need a colour contrast to be able to focus on things. So having even just different coloured chairs, tables and like plates and tablecloths will make a really big difference.